I'm gonna go over how to use a cable tie tensioning tool. This cable tie tensioner is to be used with nylon cable tie, so I'm gonna use this nylon cable tie. First, I'm gonna tie it by hand. See how there's a blade right there? The side of the blade, I'm gonna put it in through there. And then I'm gonna squeeze these two handles. Keep squeezing it. These two handles, keep squeezing it. And then when you got the tension that you want, squeeze the short handle to cut the cable tie. Thanks for watching.